Here's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.